Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a Rachio 3, and I got the 16 zone one here. This is our new sprinkler system we got to replace our dumb one that doesn't do anything other than what you program on it manually, and it's just a pain in the butt. So this is what it looks like. Here's the box is empty now. So this is the controller here, so this is what's going to hang on the wall. I used to have a Rachio, but mine wasn't quite so fancy. This one here has 16 zones, so it's got a lot. Here is the manual for it. Kind of explains how to do it. You basically are just going to replace all the little wires with the existing system. With this one, here's some more information. Here's the plug to plug it in and some screws to mount it to the wall. So I'm going to open this up here and I'll show you how it works. So manually doing this is a pain, pushing the buttons and stuff like that. So you usually would want to use the app. But let's open this up. So it's just kind of on with like magnets, I think. So that's how it opens. But the way it'll work is, and this is super easy, is it's got the push button. So you're just going to take out you'll have the main wires there, and then you just push the buttons and stick in each one for each of the zones. So you'll have zone 1 all the way through to 16. And then I'm not sure exactly what all these ones here are for. 24 volt, that's going to be some power stuff. And then the S1, S2, we're going to have to look up and see exactly what all these ones are. But I'm just going to replace what our current system is, which is an automated system, but we're going to replace it with this one here. So we should be able to just set it up. So we have the commons, the master valve is the M. So that's going to be up there. That's going to be the main one. And then we have some sensor wires. So we can have 2 rain sensors. So we do have a rain sensor in this house from the old one, so we can just use that one too. But probably won't even need that because this is going to be connected to the internet and tell us everything. So I'm going to say this is super cool. I'm going to show you guys installation here soon. So sweet. So I took off this nasty Rainbird, and now we've got the beautiful Rachio. So you can see here, it's got the little magnetic cover. I've got all my 16 zones. I've got a few extra wires. I'm not sure what those are for. I guess they're for zones that weren't ever set up or something. I don't know. But then we got it plugged in just like the old one. So there we go. So now we are up and running. Super easy. All I had to do is stick the wires into the place and plug it in. Even looks pretty. It's way better and nicer than the other one. So thumbs up.